A facelift brings the Toyota Corolla Cross not only a sharper design and an upgraded interior, but also a particularly sporty trim level. Power comes from the hybrid drive, available in 2 power levels and optionally with an extended all-wheel drive system. The new Corolla Cross is already available at dealerships, with prices starting at €36,990. Around 3 years after its market launch, the Corolla Cross receives a refresh. The front end now features a honeycomb grille, which not only adds visual appeal, but also improves airflow to the engine. In addition to LED headlights, the top model also features adaptive high beams, which ensure optimal visibility and presence on the road without dazzling other drivers. At the rear, the redesigned taillights catch the eye, while the embossed model logo underscores the Corolla Cross's strong identity. Toyota has also given the spacious interior a modern, refreshed design. In addition to the redesigned center console with a modified gear selector, occupants benefit from numerous practical innovations such as a sliding center armrest, redesigned cup holders, and an additional storage compartment for smartphones. Thanks to the latest technology, smartphones can now be charged wirelessly, up to 1.5 times faster than before. While a 12.3-inch digital instrument display behind the steering wheel provides all essential information. A high-resolution 10.5-inch touchscreen serves as the central control element for the Toyota Smart Connect multimedia and infotainment system. Higher trim levels also include enhanced ambient lighting, a heated steering wheel, and heated seats. Safety is ensured by the Toyota Teammate driver assistance systems and the third generation of Toyota Safety Sense. Passengers also enjoy a quieter ride. The increased use of highly sound-absorbing materials, particularly in the roof and rear compartments, reduces both noise and vibrations. Depending on the trim level, the Corolla Cross also features new 3-layer sound insulation in the dashboard, which minimizes engine noise. Wind and road noise insulation has been significantly improved across all trim levels. Under the hood, the efficient 5th-generation hybrid powertrains continue to be at work. Customers can still choose between the 1.8-liter hybrid with a system output of 140 horsepower and the 180 horsepower 2.0-liter hybrid. An intelligent all-wheel drive system, AWDI, is offered for the more powerful engine, which for the first time includes a Snow Extra mode. This improves stability and control on snowy roads. The additional rear motor of the all-wheel drive model prevents wheel spin, thus increasing traction. As a result, the Corolla Cross stays on track during acceleration, deceleration, and cornering, and lane changes are also safe and reliable. Extensively equipped even in the active trim. Even the base active trim, starting at €36,990 of the Corolla Cross, boasts a wealth of features. These include a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10.5-inch multimedia display, dual-zone automatic climate control, a rear-view camera, a leather steering wheel, heated front seats, a cloud-based navigation system with real-time traffic updates, LED headlights, and electrically adjustable, folding, and heated side mirrors. Smartphones can be charged wirelessly and integrated into the multimedia system via Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. A variety of advanced safety and driver assistance systems are also included as standard. These features include lane departure alert with steering assistance, lane tracking assist, adaptive cruise control, pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, intersection assist, and road sign assist, complemented by map-based intelligent speed assist. In the best-selling team player trim, starting at €38,990, customers can choose between the 1.8-liter and 2.0-liter hybrid engines, starting at €40,890. Building upon the active trim, this version also includes LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, privacy glass, a smart key system for keyless entry and locking, park assist, and a power tailgate. Team Layer, starting at €38,990, offers a choice between the 1.8-liter and 2.0-liter hybrid engines, starting at €40,890. Building upon the active trim, it adds LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, privacy glass, a smart key system for keyless entry and locking, park assist, and a power tailgate. Sporty Top Model. The new GR Sport trim level is available exclusively as a 2.0-liter hybrid and with either front-wheel or all-wheel drive. Starting at €43,490, this sporty top model combines sporty design accents with a more agile and responsive driving experience. In addition to black 19-inch alloy wheels, the Corolla Cross GR Sport is distinguished by features such as a special grille and a black Toyota logo. The exclusive storm gray two-tone paint finish completes the visual refinement. Inside, GR logos and red stitching on the Alcantara seats create a sporty ambience. The suspension has been lowered by 10 millimeters and, together with the modified power steering and steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters, contributes to an engaging and exhilarating driving experience. The newly integrated Sport mode enables faster acceleration by increasing the engine speed at idle. Safety is guaranteed by optimized deceleration. When the driver releases the accelerator, Sport mode automatically increases deceleration for a sportier braking feel. For improved stability and control in winter conditions, the Snow Extra mode is also included in the GR Sport version with intelligent all-wheel drive, AWDI. At the same time, the Corolla Cross expands Toyota's broad range in the compact SUV class, which also includes the Toyota C-Char, available as a hybrid and plug-in hybrid. The all-electric Toyota C-Char Plus model in the CSUV segment will follow in the first quarter of 2026.